So she tried to fight the Empress to go forward. The tapping grew louder and more insistent, and suddenly she was standing in front of the basement door. Man's eyes she was paralyzed with fear. It was coming. She had felt hovering around, was finally coming to get her.
All right. Okay, let's put Spooky Tales to chill your spine back. Alright, sweetheart. Ready to go?
Yeah, I don't know where the toys are.
Wow!
Keep it around that time.
Good, responsible, good reading.
How will I ever grow my responses? Oopie! Una! Francisca! Una!
Hey, you can tell them about your day, love.
It was good, Francisco. I went to Emerson School, Francisco.
Nice, that's how he'll learn to talk.
She likes.
He sure